Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fitrianisa with ID student 33210056 with class 33-6A02. I'm here to make a video for presenting about for the midterm. For the subject is syntax, and the topic that I chose is constituency. This is tables of the contents. The first one is introduction to constituency. I will define what constituency means in the context of linguistics, and I will explain how sentences are composed of smaller units, the constituent. And the second is process structure rules, or PCRS. I will discuss the purpose of PCRS, present the basic form of PCRX, for example, like XP to YPXGP plus. The third is examples of PCRS for English. I will show you the specific rules for sentences, noun phrase or NP, and verb phrases VP. And the fourth is embedded clauses. I will explain how PCRS account for embedded clauses, subordinate clauses, and some examples. The first one is the introduction to constituency. Introduction to constituency. Constituency refers to the idea that sentences are composed of smaller units or constituents that have a hierarchical structure. This constituent can be words, phrases, or even larger chunks of text. Words as constituent. Words are the basic building blocks of sentences. They can function independently, or combine with other words to form phrases. For example, in the sentence, she sings beautifully. The words she, sings, and beautifully are constituents. Phrases as constituents. Phrases are groups of words that function together as a single unit. Common types of phrases include noun phrase (NP), verb phrases (VP), prepositional phrases (PP), and adjective phrases (adjective P) or ADJP. For instance, NP stands for the big red apple. The verb phrase is I eat the pizza. Prepositional phrases is in the park, and for the adjective phrases is very excited. Hierarchical structure. Constituents can nest within each other, creating a tree-like structure. For example, the noun phrase is the big red apple consists the smaller constituent the big red and apple. So, for the second, process structure rules or PSRS. Phrase structure rules or PSRS is describe the grammatical rules governing how constituents combine. They help us analyze sentence structure and create tree diagrams. PCRS or phrase structure rules, which specify which elements can occur inside and modify other kinds of phrases. The first one will talk the purpose of PSRS. PSRS are linguistic rules that describe the hierarchical structure of sentences and phrases in natural languages. They help us understand how words combine to form larger units such as phrases and sentences. By analyzing the syntactic structure, we can identify the roles of different constituents. Example, nouns, verbs, adjective within a sentence. Two is basic form of PSRS. The general form of PSRS is represented as XP regular text, as you can see. And here what each component means. XP is present a process such as NP, VP, and PP. Then you can put the text, optional modifiers such as adjective and adverbs that can appear before the main constituent. And also the main constituent such as noun, verb, preposition, and also optional addition modifiers such as prepositional phrases, adverb phrases that can follow the main constituent. Let's break down the components further. For example, in a noun phrase, right arrow, the text or determiner, or the text a number or text adjective phrase, and the text and the noun we can, and the last is the prepositional phrase or noun phrase, the optional determiner like such as the, a, and etc. And for optional numerals such as tree and many, and for the adjective phrase, one or more optional adjectives such as beautiful and red. And for the noun is cat and house. Optional proportional phrases in such as, for example, in the garden with a hat, in the garden and with a hat. Similar rules exist for other phrases such as PP and PP and etc. The third, we will talk about the examples of PSRS for English. The first one is sentence structure or subject or as or sentence. The PCR for sentences is as follows. Subject, the text will be adverb phrase, and also the text or can be the noun phrase and CP, and the text can be auxiliary and make and the verb phrase and adverb phrase. Breakdown. An optional adverb phrase or ADVP can appear at the beginning, and also the sentence must contain a noun phrase or complementizer phrase such as an P or CP or noun phrase. Optional auxiliary and negation like elements may follow. The main verb phrase or VP is obligatory. Another optional adverb phrase can appear at the end. The second is noun phrase or NP. The PCR for noun phrases is, as you can see, there are noun phrase, determiner, number, the adjective phrase, noun, preposition phrase, and the last. The breakdown or the analysis, the noun phrase must contain a noun, optional determiner, numeral, and one or more adjective can precede the noun. Optional prepositional phrases or PP can follow the noun. The third is verb phrase or VP. The PCR for verb phrases is verb phrases. And the next is adverb phrase and can be verb, and then noun phrase or CP, and then verb phrase, and the last is prepositional phrase. And the analysis is, or the meaning is, the verb phrase must contain a verb. Optional adverb phrases can appear before and after the verb, and the verb phrase may include a noun phrase or a complementizer phrase in the second object position. Optional prepositional phrases can follow the verb. The fourth is embedded clauses. Embedded clause is a type of dependent clause that occurs within another clause, usually a main or independent clause. It functions as a single unit within a larger sentence, providing additional information or modifying a specific element. And also, the characteristic of embedded clauses is there are three, such as subordination. These embedded clauses are always subordinate to the main clause. They cannot stand alone as complete sentences. The second is introducers. Embedded clauses are introduced by subordinating conjunctions such as that, because, although, if, when, and etc. Analysis function, they serve various purposes such as expression type, condition, cause, purpose, and concession. This is a sample. Here are some examples of embedded clauses within sentences. I know that syntax is one embedded declarative clause. Next is say left because it was raining. Embedded causal clause. And he'll come if you invite him. Embedded conditional clause. We stayed indoors while the storm raged outside. Embedded temporal clause because the storm is temporal situation. Although tired, she kept working. Embedded consensive clause. This is the tree diagram representation. We can represent the structure of an embedded clause using tree diagrams. For example, the sentence is, I believe that aliens exist. The main clause is I believe. The embedded clause is that aliens exist. This is the tree diagram. The noun phrase is the I, and the verb phrase is believe. And for the CP is that, and subject is alien exist, and for the noun phrase is aliens, and verb phrase is exist. Then we'll talk about the variation. Some added clauses omit the subordinating conjunction. I hope you're feeling better. Omitted declarative clause without that. Next is she left because of the rain. Omitted causal clause without that. And this is the part 2. Aldi went to the cinema last week. And for the noun phrase is Aldi and or noun. For the verb phrase, there are three such as verb, prepositional phrase, and adverb phrase. And for the verb is when, and for the VP and prepositional is to, and for the noun phrase is there are two such as the determiner is the D, and for the noun is cinema. And for the adverb phrase, there are two because the adverb is less, and for the noun is quick. Second is the first runner won a gold medal at the Olympic. There are two, of course, the noun phrase and the verb phrase. For the first one is the noun phrase. There are three such as determiner, adjective, noun, and for the determiner is the D, adjective is poster, and for the noun is runner. And the next is we will talk about the verb phrase. There are three such as verb, noun phrase, and prepositional phrase. The verb is one, and for the noun phrase, there are three such as determiner, noun, and noun. And for the determiner is A, and for the noun is gold and medal. And for the prepositional phrase, there are two, such as prepositional, it's for and for the adjective prepositional, for the adjective phrase is there are two, such as determiner or D, and adjective. The D is the D, and for the adjective is the Olympic. The tree is the old and big tree swayed in the hurricane. And for the, as you can see, there are two phrases such as noun phrase and verb phrase. For the noun phrase is there are determiner is the D, adjective is the old, conjunction is and adjective is big, and for the noun is tree. And for the verb phrase is the verb is wait, and for the prepositional phrase there are two. The prepositional is in, and for the noun phrase is there are two such as determiner or D, and for the noun is hurricane. The fourth is the youngest sister put the doll in the purse. The first one we'll talk about the noun phrase. There are three such as determiner, D, adjective is for the youngest, and the noun is sister. And for the verb phrase, there are two such as verb, noun phrase, and prepositional phrase. For the verb is put, and for the determiner and noun is the doll, and for the personal and noun phrase is for the personal is in, and for the noun phrase is determiner is the, and for the noun is first. And the last is the five. Number five, the big girl saw a lizard with a long elbow panda recently. For the noun phrase, determiner is the, and the adjective is big, and for the noun is the girl. Is girl. And for the verb phrase is there are two, such as verb and noun phrase. For the verb is saw, and for the noun phrase there are two, such as noun and prepositional phrase. For the noun is Elijah. And for the propositional phrase there are five things, such as propositional with the with, determiner is a, adjective is lovable, and noun is panda, and for the adverb is recently. This is the references that I use. There are 7 references. Thank you for listening. I'm sorry if I made a lot of mistakes. Nothing that's enough for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.